5 miscarriages. 1 person. Is that fair?
Babe, I've told you to stop lamenting. All I know is that I must have my own kids. Eh? Just relax. There's nothing God cannot do.
No. How can you have your own children when your brother eats them up in the home? How? How can you have your own kids?
Babe, don't worry. His time is near. Okay? That he's still alive now is because he has not sworn to Abara. That will mark the end of his life. Yes.
What if he does not die?
Huh? Baby, are you the one saying this? Have you forgotten how powerful Abara is? It kills within 24 hours.
Leave my hand.
So you have gotten to the extent that you don't breathe. Huh?
Leave me!
Are you mad? Are you insane?
You slapped me.
Stop making idiots.
Are you okay? Are you stupid? What's wrong with you? What is it? Come and beat me. Leave him to come and beat me. Useless man, idiot. Idiot.
Allow me to deal with this girl.
Come and hit me. Let her be, please. For my sake. Let her be. Leave it. Mom! One has to be there for me! Want him!
What is the matter?
Mom, the point is that this girl no longer respects me in this house. Ask her if she greeted me this morning.
I don't want to greet you! I don't want to greet you! Greeting is not by force! Moreover, salutation is not love! So you cannot force me to greet you!
So why would you greet your elder brother?
Did you hear that?
Are you okay? What is going on?
Mom, why would he slap me? Does his wife greet me? Eh? Does your wife greet me? Why would you raise your hand on me?
Shut your mouth. You're talking to your elder brother. Shut up! Do you think he's carrying the camera?
Mom, listen to me. You see this girl there? I swear I must shock you in this house.
You will not do anything.
I will shock you in this house.
You shock yourself.
I can see you have grown wings. Gabona, you talk to me anyhow in this house. But I will shock you.
You will shock yourself first. Okay. You will not do anything. You will not.
Did you hear?
You shouldn't have done.
Look at me now. Then your eyes will clear. Idiot. It's okay.
No, Mom, it's not okay. It's not okay at all. You see this guy? Since this guy started mingling with Alize, everything about this girl has changed. All changed because she don't respect me, she don't greet me, she sees me like one tout.
But you're not a tout.
I don't want to greet you. Greeting is not by force.
Just leave her.
I will not.
It's
you I'm seeing here.
Just respect.
It's you. I'm respecting you. If not, man, get this guy.
You're not doing anything. You're not.
I will give you back hand now.
Why would you slap me?
Because your mouth is running more than your legs. Can you calm down?
Mommy slaps me.
Shizaba, I can see you need to go about there. You need to see about there. But if you get at this house, I will shock you. I will shock you in a minute. I will shock you. Don't worry.
Your mouth is your power. Prepare with your hands and the box that will come with. Good afternoon.
What happened to your phone?
Nothing happened to my phone. I heard they're taking you to Abara's shrine to swear an oath.
Is that why you are here?
Yes. I'm here to plead with you not to go. Please.
Why? Why?
I'm not done talking. if you know that your hands are not clean, please do not go swear any kind of oath. I beg you, please.
Well, clear conscience, they say, fears no accusation. But I'm disappointed in you. You left your matrimonial home based on hearsay. You could not even verify. How could you?
Nobody said that. And you know why I left this place. You are aware. By the way, that's not why I'm here. And of course, I cannot tell you on how to live your life. You can as well do whatever you want. It is fine. Good day.
Wicked man. Vampire. God will punish you for the blood of my unborn children. You shall never go free. I hate you. I hate
Can't you see? Can't you feel it? That your enemy is with you. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Your enemy is with you. Unite together.
What is your sin?
Oh, just one useless program. Is this bad or what? The thing just scared me. This thing made me, I nearly jumped out of my skin. This could be so funny. The way I jumped out from my sleep, I thought the whole world is ended.
As you know. You are here chasing after squirrel. When you almost late for your activity this morning. It's only 9 a.m.
Just wait for me. Let me quickly wash my face.
Please be fast. You know they say we'll gather at Chairman's house before moving together at Abara Shrine.
Oh, okay, yes. That's just wait for me. Let me quickly freshen up. But I told them. I told them that I will be fast. Okay, before the Abara Shrine. Okay, yes. I told them. I told them that I will make it up. I don't know why this fire. You sit. Let me go.
I think I've always told you.
Look at what time it is. I just watched the time and this boy called Arete is not yet here. He's taking us for granted. He will come, Chairman. We should do what?
I've always told you I don't trust that.
Okay.
For a time like this, you always bitter for
Forget the African is always bitter for
He's on the way coming. I don't do this with me.
Thank God I'm the only man who is suspecting what happened. Who's on that?
Okay.
The only one saying it's all right. No problem. No, but are you not saying that? You will come before the chairman. By night. And then what the time is?
No matter the time, forget about the time. Let's start teaching. He's in fact, but you always get that on the for nothing. Hey, don't bring your own here. Don't bring your own here. We shouldn't follow what.
No, people said I should keep quiet. It's okay. My brother has been in the mortuary, and the question that my brother is in the mortuary.
No, his car is not here. He left about 30 minutes ago. Wait. Are you sure he's not there yet? Now, wow. Are you sure he's not trying to dodge the activities? Your Muna should not allow him to do so. No problem.
Thank you, Danny. You got what you said. We should be on our way now.
Before that, Arinze, you have to act very fast. Act very smart. Learn from the fish. The fish does not sleep. Like they say, secret does not last forever.
Thank you, Great World.
Thank you.
And as for your own case, like I told you, keep it up. Everything is going to work the way I told you. Apply the things I told you to pray.
So what are you going to do now?
I don't even know. I am angry. I'm fucking angry.
You need to calm down and act wisely, as Udena said.
I'm trying so hard to control my temper. I don't even know what to do.
Who's calling you?
The chairman.
You see, it is obvious that Arinze is not coming here today. The reason is what I do not know. So I would suggest that we move it to him because I've tried him on phone, tried reaching him. So I suggest that we move this ceremony to another day. Probably tomorrow or some other time.
And my elders, I greet you. The truth of the matter is that Arinze is running because he knows he cannot face that man. And he must be punished for that.
Yes.
He must be.
This boy is very right. Arinze has succeeded in putting all of us in uniform and I'm a joker. I don't want to get angry to that extent. This boy must be punished for all of this.
Chairman.
I'm no longer happy with it.
Chairman, don't let us condemn that boy yet. Let him come so that when we hear, we will know that...
Okika, what do you mean by that? Why can't you call a spade for once in your life?
Okay.
Don't tackle me here now.
Don't jam me. Allow him to tackle this man. I don't know why he's here. We are talking about my brother.
You want to continue? Yes. Hey, stop it.
Chairman,
take it easy.
Warn him.
It's okay. Don't take this personal.
Careful of me.
Hey. I don't want to get angry.
Come. Please. I don't want us to take this personally. Let us
Officer, move all of them.
What is going on?
Move all of them.
I'm not with them.
Move all of them.
Arinze,
Arrest all of them except my family members.
let's go.
Everybody.
Let's go.
Arrest them. Move them.
Let's go.
Move all of them except my family members.
Let's go. What is the meaning of this?
Arinze!
Arinze, what is the meaning of this? Arinze, what is the meaning of this?
The only reason you are standing here is because of blood.
You are very stupid, Arinze. You are very stupid.
Mom, just imagine.
I wouldn't have.
Arinze!
Have you seen your husband? You're not even saying anything. He brought us here to disgrace us.
Mom, you see? I knew Arinze was up to something. Yes! Now he has arrested all our women now. Who knows the allegation he has cooked up against them?
Azubike, you know sometimes your brother can be unbelievable. He can be totally out of his mind sometimes. I know he's doing everything possible to evade himself from taking that oath.
Mom, listen. No matter what Arinze has plotted, I will never allow him win that battle. Never! He will not! Nonsense!
Calm down first.
Don't. Oh, gosh.
Calm down, we must get to the root of this matter. Calm down.
Honey, are you back? Just imagine, honey. Just imagine. Arinze arrested all our women, including Uncle Udogo.
Why?
Huh? Mom, look at her. Just look at Chizoba. Did you hear her say anything? She's aware of everything. She's an agent to Arinze. Oh, yes.
In that case, we need to avoid her.
Oh, yes, we need to avoid her.
Azubike, if what you're telling me is true, I will deal ruthlessly with Chizoba. I will show her a part of me she has never seen all her life.
Just imagine, Arinze.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Ah, God. Okay, just imagine.
Arinze, why would you go and arrest the woman now? For what? What for? They were not waiting for him to come and swear the oath? He went there with policemen and got them arrested. Why? What for?
The reason why he did that is what I cannot just tell. Like, I don't know why he got them arrested.
What else? My husband is scared of the oath. Babes, his action is just a means to disrupt the activity. That's it. Nothing more.
After what he did today, I am fully convinced that your husband, Arinze, is fully guilty of all the allegations leveled against him.
Definitely. I know. In fact, I've been aware. I know. It is claiming now like this. Daughter, it is known. I know. But do you know one thing? What? Babe, listen. As it is now, between me and you, I am so done with Arinze that this marriage is over. I will just call my lawyer now to arrange divorce, whatever. Like, I'm so done. I'm done. I'm so done.
Chioma, don't you think you are being too forward? Like, you are being too fast with this divorce.
How?
Saying divorce, does he want to just divorce him?
How? What more should I wait for? Until I die? I'm asking you, what more should I wait for?
Do not conclude yet.
Please!
Don't conclude yet.
It is so bad that I have been staying with such a dubious and wicked man all these years. I have concluded, and that is final.
Chioma.
Mom, who was that? Who were you with on the phone that you stopped the moment you saw me? Who was that?
Mom, my friend.
What friend? Do I know your friend? Do I know her?
Mom, why are you asking me all these questions?
Are you mad? I asked a simple question and here you are snapping at me. Are you mad? Who was that friend?
Mom, I said my Facebook friend.
Mom, she's lying to you. Check her phone.
I don't understand.
Mom, stop! Give me that phone.
Mom, please stop this.
I said, hand me the phone.
Hand the phone over to her.
Me.
Stop.
Go open it for me. Show me everything in there.
Mom, I don't like this.
Hurry up.
Mom. Mom, stop.
I told you not to involve the police in this case, but you insisted. And you don't have any evidence against this man.
That was the only way I could have disrupted the oath-taking ceremony. I mean, I couldn't just walk up and say, hey, I'm not taking the oath. They will interpret it in another way.
Anyways, you're right. So what do you intend to do next?
I want to see my wife first.
It's okay.
Tell him that I'm not here. I'm not here. You not see me. I'm not here. I'm not here. You not see me.
Mom, I could not believe my ear today when I was told the offense of our woman at the police station today.
What did they say is their offense?
Arinze said they threatened his life.
What? Is that a joke or what?
Mom, tell me how those men would threaten Arinze's life.
I don't understand.
I told you. Mom, I told you he purposely did that just to disrupt the oath-taking activity.
So tell me what next? I guess they have all been bailed.
Immediately. There will be an emergency meeting tomorrow for them to decide my brother's case.
Sure.
Brother said he has something to tell the entire family, but our mother has refused to give him audience. What exactly does he want to tell us? Is he trying to make some confessions? He has been so disturbed.
Madam Chizoba, I know you now support that evil guy, Arinze.
Madam, watch your tongue. My brother is not an evil man.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
Tell me, how much did he offer you to make you change your mind? Because you weren't with him before, so what happened?
Really?
Yeah.
You can think whatever you want to think. Stop accusing my brother of being responsible for your miscarriages. You and your husband should go to the hospital and check yourselves. Yes.
Wait. You're mocking me? Chizoba, you're mocking me. I promise you this. It will happen to you. Trust me.
I reject it. I reject it. I am not as illiterate as you and your husband. I am not. Stupid idiot. Don't try this nonsense with me again. Don't try it.
Ms. Sume,
Chairman.
we summoned you here to tell you the decision of the monarch concerning your son Arinze. Yeah? After this, we are going to give you a letter to deliver to him. Yeah? So that he will know what the monarch has decided. Now, fire.
Chairman, thank you. Mrs. Sume, you and your children are aware of the humiliation in this family. For the humiliation you have gone through in the hands of Arinze, your son. Are you not aware? On that note, we have decided that... Stay away. Stay away.
Don't calm down and let's hear what the chairman is saying now.
Why are you behaving like a child now?
Get serious.
Excuse me, dog. We are here to discuss a very serious matter.
Yes, about my brother. I'm sorry.
Hey, shut up there with your
it will not happen.
Christian. Keep quiet.
Tell us. Chairman, thank you. Like I was saying, so we have decided that we will...
Hey! Wait, stay away! Stay away! Mr. Chairman, tell him to stay away! Tell him to stay away! No! Stay away!
Why are you behaving like this? What is wrong with you? Who is here? There's no one here, just us.
Sit down, let's discuss now.
Udo! I should sit down. Udo! I should sit down. If you want me to sit down,
Udo!
He's here!
I'm not joking.
I'm going to find you now. Please, I'm not
joking. You will pay a fine for this nonsense.
I'm not joking. He's here. Tell him to go out if you want me to stay.
Who is here? Who is here?
Chief Uma is here. Oh, man. Oh, he's here. He's here. He told me to come.
He's not your father.
You want? Oh, he said I should confess. I will confess. Oh, mommy. I will confess. I killed Chief Uma. I killed Chief Uma. He said I should confess, otherwise he will kill me. I don't want to die. Tell him I don't want.
You can't do.
Will somebody stop this nonsense! Stop this! Stop this!
I was the one who made Arize's wife to be barren. I'm the one who is responsible for your wife's miscarriages. Arize's wife, I am the one who made her to be barren. Oh, to accord.
Stop! Is this a prank or something? Huh? Can you stop all this joke? How much did Arize pay you to do this?
Arize did not pay me.
How much did he pay you?
Arize is very free. I said I will confess. What? I will confess. Listen. I am the one who told the Dibia that helped me kill your father to manipulate dreams so that Arize will be looking as if he's the one who is responsible for your father's death. The boy is innocent. I said I will confess.
Can you stop this?
Chairman.
Why did you do this?
He's jealous.
Why?
Jealous. I was jealous of my brother's happy home. I wanted to overtake. One them Peter. One them Paul.
Wait!
Get away, Peter. Get away, Peter. Give me one them Paul. Get up. What? Get out of here. Get away.
So on that day, my friend asked me to follow him to go see his friend, who happens to be a native doctor. When we got there, I was shocked with what the native doctor told me. He said I should not go for the oath taking, that the same person who killed my father is responsible for my wife's barrenness, and also responsible for Zubby's wife's miscarriages. That the same man will kill me if I take that oath. I was like, okay, so who is this man? The native doctor refused to tell me. I said, why? He said, because I will confront him and I don't have what it takes spiritually to confront him. That if I do, that this same man will kill me. That I shouldn't bother, that my father's spirit will finish him publicly.
This is serious. So who is the man?
He never told me.
Honey. Honey, what happened? Why is mommy crying? Honey? Honey, talk to me.
Arize is innocent.
What?
Forgive me in every way I've made your life miserable for these past months. I am sorry. It has been your uncle that has been responsible for all the calamities we've been going through. Yet we accused you falsely. I accused you.
My uncle.
What are you talking about?
Oh, he has confessed.
Confessed to what?
He is responsible for everything.
What?
Including our father's death?
Yes, he killed your father.
Who is the man?
Uncle Dog.
Who? Dog.
My uncle.
I swear that man is a walking corpse because I will strangle him to death.
My son, there's no need for that. Your father's ghost appeared to him. He's raving mad right now.
Mad?
Your father's ghost appeared to him and he ran mad immediately.
Exactly what he told me.
Who told you?
Udene.
Who is Udene?
How do I explain to my parents that it could not longer work between Arinze and I? After all these years, I feel so ashamed of myself. Arinze, you did this one to me, Sha.
Take it. Your mother wants to speak with you.
My mother-in-law?
Yes. She's on the line.
Hello, ma. Good day, ma. I'm fine, thank you, ma. How is my husband innocent? Okay, ma. Yes, ma. I will come, ma. Thank you, ma.
What did she say?
That my husband has been vindicated and that their uncle confessed to killing their father.
This is good news. This is good news. Oh, I knew that he was innocent. I knew it.
And she asked me to come to the house. That my husband wants to say something and he insisted that I must be there.
Of course, you should be on your way right now. You need to go home. Let's go. Come and start going. Chioma, this is good news. You need to go.
You kill because of envy. You kill because of jealousy.
It's called our foundation. I should go to program. That show is easy to you. I have seen all of them. They are I am the only one to be trusted. Ego, I respect you. You see, we know who is called Okwambiashuk.
I'm so disappointed in you. No, how can this man kill his own brother? His own blood brother? After this man, Joe, you're a very wicked man.
This is terrible. Really terrible.
And Arinze's teeth has been set on edge over something he did not do. Eh? Is it not pure wickedness?
I'm still very much confused.
Confused?
Yes.
About what?
Why did Arinze refuse to open his father's casket for people to see? Did Udogo ask him to do so?
Hey. Anyway, what has happened has happened. You can't change the fact that Udogo is very wicked. This one is a very wicked man.
Let's be on our way.
Thank you, voice, sir.
Wait for God.
I told you that these people are supposed to program. Have you seen it? I told you that I am the only righteous person here. Remove no from your cabinet and replace. Let me ascend. You know Jesus Christ ascend to heaven. They did not see him again. Let me ascend. You will be seeing me. These people are mpiampia shiboke.
Chairman, something is still disturbing me. It is true that Udogo confessed of killing Chief Ume. But there's still an unanswered question.
Which is?
What is Arinze hiding? By going to the mortuary alone, brought back Chief Ume's corpse and refused to open the gasket.
Mashama, what do you have to say to that?
Honora, I have nothing to say. Maybe you can help me.
Help you how? I was not there when Udog made the confession. I would have asked him.
And you think he would have answered you?
Yes, of course, since he was the one who killed his brother.
Listen, my people. Anything can be possible in this life. I sensed foul play in what happened there this afternoon.
How?
I'm having the feeling that Udogo must have been manipulated. Because he could not do those things. Arinze must have manipulated him from their occult altar just to cover himself up.
Okay.
Eh?
How are we sure that you are not the one being manipulated here? Yes. You were there when everything happened.
It is only the perpetrator of the evil that can answer these unanswered questions. Arinze is the only one.
Udogo killed our dad. But why did Arinze act the way he did on the day of my dad's burial? He went alone to the mortuary while everyone were here waiting for him. The next thing he came back with my dad's corpse and refused to open the casket. Did Uncle push him to do all these things? Something is wrong somewhere. Why is Shaman calling me? Hello, sir. I should come to your house now. Oh, sir, sorry, we have a family meeting here, so maybe after the family meeting I'll come. Thank you, sir.
Mom said you should come inside for the meeting.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Now.
I'm coming.
We'll wait for him.
Do you say they are having a family meeting?
That is what I said.
We will wait, like Chairman said.
Well, for me, I don't trust that boy called Arinze. You should have asked Zubby to be here first. That boy, you don't know what he will go and tell them, what he has planned. You don't know.
Okeka, you are taking this matter too far. Eh? Na butu.
How do you mean? How do you mean? Don't you know that I'm a born detective? Oh, you are not aware.
I don't know if you are or not. Chairman has said we should wait for Zubby. But still, you protest against his instruction. Why?
My friend, keep quiet there.
What is wrong with you?
Keep quiet. Keep quiet.
Call for quarrel, please.
I don't know why he's tackling me.
How do I tackle you? My friend, respect yourself. Okay,
You two respect yourself.
Okay,
Respect yourself.
Okay,
respect yourself.
Don't challenge me, oh.
Hey!
I will destroy
my
Can't you see? Can't you feel it? That your enemy is with you.
Get away!
Can't you see?
Get away! What?
Can't you feel it? Your enemy is with you.
Get away! Run! Get away! Peter! Get away! Peter, get away! I will shoot you!
Stop fighting! Stop fighting!
I will kill you. Peter! I say repent! Peter, repent! For the kingdom of the Peter! Repent. The office of God is executive office. You have to repent. One name Peter, one name Paul. Get away, Peter! Get away! Peter, repent, Peter. The kingdom of God is in Abuja. The kingdom of God is in Abuja. Repent.
I'm sorry for everything that has been happening since the death of our father.
I think he's about to make his own confession.
This family used to be a peaceful family. While growing up, I've never seen anyone fighting in this family.
Right, my son. It has never happened before.
Until Dad died. But that's by the way. First, I want to clear the air. I am not a cultist. I am not a cultist. I repeat, I am not a cultist. I will explain why I left our late father's corpse at the mortuary for 13 months. I will also explain why I insisted that no one should open his casket on the day of his burial.
Arinze, are you saying it was Daddy's corpse you brought home on that day?
Yes, it was Daddy's corpse that was buried on that day. I did not see his corpse either. I arranged everything with the mortuary attendant.
What?
Is that not Daddy's phone?
Yes, this is Daddy's phone.
So what are you doing with his phone?
I want everybody to see this. Dad, you sent for me?
Yes.
You look moody. I hope all is well.
Arinze, all is not well. I'm not alright. I'm having a feeling that my life is about to end.
Dad, please stop. You are not dying anytime soon. Please withdraw that statement.
Listen, I have a secret to share with you, and I want you to keep it to yourself till I'm buried.
Dad, you're sounding scary. Please stop.
I don't want you to be afraid. I am 76. If I die now, I did not die young. I have acquired a lot of wealth, which I want you to protect. I have a life tortoise in my body.
Dad, what are you saying? That you have a life tortoise in you?
I have a tortoise in my body. The tortoise will die 12 months after my death. Then you can bury me on 13th month. None of your siblings, including your mother, will see my corpse 1 hour after I have died, for your protection.
Dad, are you the one saying all this?
Arinze, don't be afraid. I know you face a lot of battle, but be strong. Be a man. If you succeed, you will have my word and your life protected. If you do as I said, someone is after my life and he has succeeded.
Dad, can I ask you a question? How come you have a life tortoise in you?
Good question. Go there and get this phone. It's recording every word you are saying.
That this will be difficult. People will ask questions. Oh.
Keep it to yourself. It shall be well with you.
That was why I took Father's corpse to the mortuary without wasting time. Immediately after his death. And I knew the only way to make sure none of you sees his corpse was to withhold the mortuary receipt. I planned all that with the mortuary attendant. If I wronged you in any way during those times, I'm sorry. I was acting under instruction. Everything I did was for the betterment of this family. To grant Papa's wish. But you all misinterpreted it, called me all sorts of names. If I was not matured enough, we all would have burned into ashes. But Osita the one more, the one more. Osita the one more, or the one more.
Otua, my son, please. I beg you. Please forgive me. I'm your mother. I cannot kneel for you. Forgive every one of us. In every way we have wronged you.
Mom,
do not take it to heart.
It's not a problem. I know you all were acting out of ignorance and all.
Forgive all of us.
Big bros, please. I feel guilty in everything. I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about the whole thing. I'm sorry. Find a place in your heart to forgive me, brother.
It's okay,
My king, I'm sorry for everything. Please, forgive me. I misjudged you. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Stand up. Stand up. It's okay. Stand up. It's fine, okay? I'm forgiving you.
Thank you.
It's okay. Ebu Chama, my elder. Once again, I'm sorry for everything that happened. Please find a place in your hearts to forgive me. I love my people. I have no reason to hurt them. I'm truly sorry.
German, my brother here has said it all. Yes, we've settled everything. Everything is settled. Yes. He also explained to us why he went to the mortuary alone and why he didn't want to expose my father's corpse. So I beg you, please find a place in your heart to forgive him. We are sorry for everything.
Chairman, I have one question to ask Arinze.
Go on.
Arinze, are you telling us that the corpse you brought home on that burial day is your father's corpse?
Of course. Yes.
It is? Yes. Then, Chairman, conclude the matter. It's already solved.
It's okay. It's alright. I will summon the entire Munna tomorrow morning. I'll explain everything to them according to what you have just explained to me. I will tell them what happened there. It's okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Also, I want to all the people involved in the arrest. I will compensate them with 50,000.
That's great.
I'm sure that I'm truly sorry.
Yes, we are very sorry.
Hiroko!
Repeat the arrest again.
Hiroko!
You're not diabetic.
I'm not diabetic. I'm not diabetic.
Stand up for Iroko. Arinze, defensor. His word must stand. What he says is what you do. You don't understand, but follow the instruction. Iroko sisi Arinze. Arinze, Okiroko. Iroko sisi Arinze. Obi barayako, Obi karayaka. Iroko sisi Arinze. Obi borogabo. Obi barayako. Iroko sisi Obi borogabo. He is not afraid of anybody. Obi borogabo.